In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to add a carousel to LinkedIn post. Let's get started. As you can see, this post has two images and it's displayed as a carousel post. You can click on this one and slide to the next images. So this one is a carousel post. But if you upload the images by clicking on this photo feature, it's not displayed as carousel. It's displayed as a grid of images, which is the images displayed separately. So in that case, we have to use another feature to upload images as a carousel. So I would highly recommend to using a Canva to creating your graphics. So you can choose whatever formats in Canva, but I would go with this square shape design for this time. And once it's ready, to make sure to download as a PDF. It's usually download as JPEG or PNG, but you can't upload carousel by these types of images. So this type, I would go for this PDF standard and make sure to download it. And once you download your images as a PDF file, just head over to the LinkedIn and click on Start a Post. And then simply just click on this plus button and select Add the document and select Choose a file. And then upload the PDF you just downloaded. And that's it. Okay, there you have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please give me a thumbs up and make sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Thank you for watching.